Okay, so this video shows a triangle family, P1, P2, P3. You see three triangle families here. And each one of those triangle families has two base vertices that are fixed. They're fixed along the vertical axis, P1 and P2. They're just fixed. And there's a third vertex, P3. Now, the game here is for us to display triangle families such that their incenters, the x1s that you see, describe perfect circles whose centers are the midpoint of the P1, P2 base segment. Okay, so this is the question here is, what should the motion of a third vertex be on a triangle with two base vertices, P1 and P2, which are fixed? What should that third vertex do such that the incenter of that triangle family describes a circle? Now, the kinds of curves we're getting here are these H-shaped curves, but they're not always concave. For sufficiently small radii of these concentric circles, the actual red curve or the dash red curve is going to be a convex curve.